This video intended to show you how to copy the configuration from the drive to PC or to upload the configuration from the PC to the drive using SoMove software. In order to copy the configuration from the drive to PC, we want to click on Load from Device. We want to name our file, and we want to click on Save. A safety warning will pop up. After you finish reading the safety warning, you can check the box and click OK. Now you can see that there is a progress bar appear to track the download progress. Now it's complete. Copy the configuration from the drive to PC. So we can go on to click OK. Now, in order to upload the configuration from the PC to the drive, we want to click on Store to Device. And as you can see, this is the file that we just saved to our PC. We want to select that file, and we want to click Open. Now the safety warnings is pop up again. Just read the safety warning, and when you finish reading, just check the box and click OK. See that the progress bar appear again to track the upload process. Now it says is upload successful from the PC to the drive. You want to click OK, and that is how you want to copy the configuration from the drive to the PC, or to upload the configuration from the PC to the drive using SoMove software. Thank you.